I don't even know. I can't even see myself right now. But oh, it's currently 9 a.m. and we're already super late. But you wanna say hi?
Yes, we are late. It's like 9:15. We were supposed to be out by 8. So, and one of the prime suspects in us being late was actually this man here. Yeah, you wanna come here?
I was not late.
Come here.
They're completely lying. I was the first one up.
Very nice. Did everybody say hi? Not really. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is Mr. Driver. Do you want to say anything?
मैं आज गाड़ी चलाता हूँ ये मेरी गाड़ी है क्राइसलर पैसिफिका अच्छी गाड़ी है मज़ा आता है बहुत इंशाल्लाह पहुँच जाएंगे हम जहाँ पे भी जा रहे हैं आज.
Do you have any words?
ना
Okay. Do you have any words? Get out.
ये वाला तो
No, we should do like a track.
A track?
गली के नाके पे.
Oh shit.
बजेगा तेरे इलाके में.
नाके पे ये बजेगा तेरे इलाके में.
I'm asking the government for 4,000 or more. It's against my religion to tell you my business.
Alright, Mr. Ali Aziz and Mr. Sajjad Hassan. Post first day interview. How do you feel?
It's good, bro. Cold.
That's it?
Very authentically Canadian. And we're gonna talk about the
Political and economic.
Now, before anybody asks why I was wearing a leather jacket and a tie, I was just going for these types of looks. And clearly, it was way too cold for that. And here is me getting bullied by everybody to put on a jacket. So I did that. I usually say drip or drown, but today, bro, it's way too cold. So I had to change the jacket. From the quality, first of all, I don't know if you can tell, I got a camera. So it's a Sony a6700. Still trying to get a hold of this, so if it's a little underexposed, overexposed, I don't know.
Thank
you. Assalamualaikum.
Big fan.
Yeah.
Keep walking.
Okay, photo session.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh shoot, I forgot to mention. This flag right here, my friend got it. He got the flag and then he just stuck it in my bag because he doesn't want to carry it around. So now I just have a flag in the back of my bag. So yeah, but this is just...
Yo, I just disappeared right now.
Everybody say hi. Look what I found. Woo! What's the phone at? Let me go. क्या आपने क्या बकवास किया फिर से भरेंगे क्या नहीं पता नहीं यार
¿Qué pasó?
sounds too nonchalant for a slushy ass no
For this world.
too nonchalant for this world bro. Great. Yes, you're good, right?
I'm good.
Are you lying?
I was born in this country actually.
Okay, all right.
I'm
Okay.
good. I'm like all y'all.
5 minutes later.
So just a little update. Everybody else just went to the car because they're cold.
I'm like, oh yeah.
As for the view, this is the view right now. Pretty nice. Almost reminds me of Portugal.
Let's not talk about that.
We're here at Statue of Literally.
Statue of Literally.
This view. शाम वो यूएस से बाय बाय कर दो मजाक कर रहा हूँ क्यूबेक ही है Alright, we are so back. I don't even know where we are, bro. There's more of those over there. Okay, really late start to the day, and we got our chocolate milk.
We got chocolate milk there.
Very nice.
It's good for the bones.
Yes.
This is my bicep, but it's good for the bones, you know?
Extremely late start to the day. When I say extremely late, I mean it, because we kind of just got here, and it's already what?
6:01.
6:01. So. Sean has clearly fallen for the tourist trap.
Yeah, look, I fell for the tourist trap as well.
Dude.
Bro, this guy, turn it on yourself.
Hanji.
This guy was gonna fall for the tourist trap.
Almost.
He said for the flag, he said "60. His illiterate ass doesn't know what 60 means. It means $70 in French.
Yo, it's a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari flag.
I got him down to 65, and he still didn't buy it.
Bro, it wasn't. All right, so we are outside some store. Hamza drone shots le raha tha, and these guys just pulled up and they're saying take videos of us. So you never take music videos of me like that. You have anything?
So look, whenever I try to take a music video of you, you just kind of do this, and you're like, that's enough.
Okay, all right, bro, chill out. Pretty dope, I guess. So, yeah.
Thank you guys, and we just arrived in Montreal. So.
Oh yeah, where are you guys from?
We're from Paris.
Oh! I think for the pictures.
Truly for the content right here.
Stop that. Oh, no paparazzi? Oh, chalo, theek hai. Get out. Where you guys been, bro?
Mr. Chocolate Milk.
We're talking to a Punjabi uncle.
Bones again.
What were you guys talking to a Punjabi uncle for?
Bro, he's like, what do you say?
He was like, yo,
He was like,
and
are you
shit.
Punjabi?
Where
And we're like, close enough.
Close enough.
We said that we're from
Udhar hi,
Sargodha.
aas-paas neighbor.
And he's like, oh.
अरे लंदन आए कहाँ से आ गए यार?
यार आपको क्या कंप्लेन थी?
यार मॉन्ट्रियल का था। लंदन आ गया।
Oh shit, London आए? Oh my god, my bad.
स्कैम हो गया।
Scam हो गया.
Why did that man?
गिरना चाहिए. That's the most mid shit ever, bro. Just crashed the drone. So the wing is gone. So all the drone shots are from Hamza. Thank you for your drone shots.
And what happened to your Donali?
Happy birthday!
Aryan, I love you. Keep it rock hard. Keep it extra rock hard.
Just rain one. Okay, just rain one. 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you, my friend.
Oh, so basically, yeah, we just got done from Mary Brown's. There's no chocolate milk in there. But anyways, what's the mandem? There's one more right there, right over there, yeah, right behind us. That's the Batimobile, you know? The Batimobile. We better drop the mandem home. Basically, the man was like, yo, I'm famous, you want a picture? She was like, yeah, I'm good. Anyways, yo, that's a wrap. We're gonna drop everyone home. Okay, let's go, yo.